Hi and welcome back to my studio. Today we're going to be looking at the crab stitch, also known as the reverse double crochet. I have here a granny square which I've made, and I want to add the crab stitch around the edge. I'm going to start by creating a base round of double crochets, which is single crochet if you're in the US. I'm attaching the yarn in any corner space where I'm going to work 3 double crochets. I'm going to work 3 double crochets in each of the corner spaces and just 1 double crochet in each stitch round. With my base row complete, I'm now going to begin my crab stitch. I'm going to start by inserting my hook in any stitch and pull through a loop of my new yarn. Now my loop's pulled through, I'm going to work into the stitch to the right. I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, and that's the first stitch made. I'm going to again move along to the right, insert hook, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I'm going to continue working along, moving in the reverse direction to which you would normally work. I'm going to place 1 stitch into each double crochet, including just the 1 stitch in each stitch of the corners. I've now completed my round of reverse double crochets. You can slip stitch into our initial stitch and fasten off, weaving ends as normal. I quite like to, just to save on knots and extra bulk. It looks really neat and tidy. Just like to snip my yarn there at the end after my last stitch and pull through my yarn. Thread that onto my needle. I'm just going to run this through the back of my stitches. That will join it and it will just keep it looking really neat and tidy. And carry on working that back and forth a couple of times just to make sure it's really secure. As you can see, that's just left really nice rope effect around the edge. You haven't got any extra bulk and no additional knots. And that's the crab stitch round complete. It's absolutely one of my favourite ways to finish a project. It just looks so beautiful and effective. I do have a free PDF on Ko-fi, which I'll link in the description. Thank you for watching today. I really hope that you found this tutorial useful. Please do comment, like, subscribe, all the usual YouTube things, and if you do use the crab stitch in your makes, please do tag me in on social media.